Hi friends, welcome to the Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. Introduction of pumpkin. Pumpkin is a popular vegetable rainy season crop. The pumpkin belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family and is grown extensively during the monsoon season and summer season for immature and tender fruits. Pumpkin fruits are consumed in daily cooking and also used in sweets preparation. The fruit juice, young stems, flowers, and leaves have many medicinal properties. Health benefits of pumpkin. Some of the health benefits of pumpkin are listed below. Pumpkin has a rich source of vitamin A and potassium. Pumpkin has good antioxidant properties. Pumpkin may boost eye vision. Pumpkin may aid in sleep better. Pumpkins may lower blood pressure. Commercial varieties of pumpkin. Below listed are some of the commercial varieties of pumpkin. Arka Suryamukhi, Ambili, Arka Chandan, Saras, Suvarna and Suraj. Climate required for pumpkin planting. Pumpkin needs a minimum temperature of 18 degrees Celsius at the early stage of their growth. The ideal temperature range is 25 to 28 degrees Celsius for its cultivation. It adopts a wide range of rainfall conditions and it also tolerates low temperatures. Best season for growing pumpkins. Pumpkins can be grown during the time period of January to March and September to December. Sowing can also be started after the first few showers from May to June for the rain-fed crop. Soil requirement and its preparation for pumpkin plantation. It thrives well in a wide variety of soils, but sandy loam soil with good organic matter is best suited. Soil with good drainage and a pH range of 6 to 7 is ideal for pumpkin cultivation. The field should be leveled to a fine tilt, well-drained, and fertile, can make adding organic compost or farmyard manure. The selected main field should also have an assured water source. The seed rate of pumpkin. The seed rate of pumpkin is about 1.0 to 1.5 kilograms per 1 hectare cultivation. Preparation of the soil for pumpkin plantation. Dig pits of 60 centimeters diameter and 30 to 45 centimeters depth and maintain a spacing of 4.5 meter by 2.0 meters. A well-rotten farmyard manure and fertilizers should be mixed with topsoil in the pit. How to sow pumpkin seeds? 4 or 5 seeds are to be sown per pit. Destroy any unhealthy or damaged plants after 2 weeks and retain 3 plants per pit. Manures and fertilizers of pumpkin. Apply farmyard manure at 20 to 25 tons per hectare as a basal dose along with a half dose of 35 kilograms of nitrate and a full dose of 25 kilograms of phosphorus pentoxide and 25 kilograms of potassium oxide per hectare. The remaining doses of 35 kilograms of nitrate should be applied into equal split doses at the time of plantation and at the time of full blooming. Weed control of pumpkin crop. Raking of the soil at the time of fertilizer application and conducting 2 to 3 hand weeding are required to keep the field weed-free. Earthling up should be done during the monsoon. Water requirement of pumpkin plants. The irrigation should be given in an open field as per the requirement of the plants. During the initial stages of pumpkin plant growth, irrigate at an interval of 3 to 4 days. Irrigating on alternate days during flowering and fruiting will return in high-quality fruits. Pests and diseases in pumpkin farming. Epilachna beetle, fruit flies, and red pumpkin beetle are the main pests on pumpkin plantations. They can be controlled as in the case of bitter gourd. Powdery mildew, downy mildew, and mosaic are the main diseases in pumpkin farming. When and how to harvest pumpkins. Pumpkins will be ready for harvesting when the stems connecting the fruit to the vine begin to shrivel. Can harvest the fruits when they are in deep solid color and the rind is hard. Destroy any unhealthy fruit from the vine and use a sharp knife for harvesting with care. The yield of pumpkins. The pumpkin yield mainly depends on plant management and the variety of fruit. An average yield of pumpkin can be expected up to 30 tons per hectare. Marketing of pumpkins. They can be transported to local markets. Some facts about growing pumpkins. Usually, most pumpkins take 3 months to 4 months for the first harvest after sowing the seeds in the soil. It is recommended to place a piece of wood under developing pumpkin vines to prevent any root rot disease. The number of pumpkins you get for one plant depends on the variety. Regular varieties will give 2 to 4 pumpkins per one plant, whereas miniature types will produce more pumpkins per one plant. The reason for getting pumpkin leaves yellow is a nutrient deficiency or some kind of infestation. Always sow the pumpkin seeds when the soil temperature is above 19 degrees Celsius and avoid frost conditions. The best season for sowing pumpkins is after the last frost, as the pumpkin seeds will not germinate in cold climates. You can grow pumpkin in pots having a good pot size and plant 3 to 4 seeds in each pot. Once seeds are germinated, you can thin them into one true plant. Though you can grow pumpkins from store-bought, they are hybrids and will not produce the true type. You can grow pumpkins indoors, however, you should make growing conditions for it. The bottom line of growing pumpkins. Pumpkin farming has a good potential for profits, provided sufficient management care is taken. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all your friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.